Hello guys and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, treat and a rinse. Let's have a look at the area we have to clean today. We have this paving here to clean. It had become a little bit slippery underfoot, so the customer's called us in to give it a clean, give it a freshen up and make it safer underfoot. So this is the before and this is the after. As you can see, there's a massive difference in the colour, in the appearance, and most importantly it is now safe to walk on. It's no longer slippy, it's nice and grippy, and it is much better. So here's a before and after comparison, and we have another wonderful review from our customer, so thank you for that. Here are our contact details if you need them, so give us a call. Click the links to watch some more videos, and as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you at the next job.